Okay. Everything set? Okay. So today we're gonna be going to school because it is our last day of being and culminating. So I will be getting ready for school, and then I have to bring my stuff, my drinks, and especially I'm gonna try to vlog in the school even though teacher says I'm not allowed. So if I do get footage, don't ask why is it so random at moments. But let's go to school right about now. Okay, so we have to go. It is so early in the morning. I don't want to do this, but I have to go to school. So this is our last time having regular classes, so I'm gonna enjoy it. I'll be leaving at 12. What else? Enjoy? I'll go ask others what did they think, what did they expect. So typical. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna be getting ready.
February roses, mixed up emotions. Her thorns are poking, blood leaves and poison. Now I miss the summer, when I was warmer, when it was colder. Now I don't even know her. February roses, mixed up emotions. Her thorns are poking, blood leaves and poison. Now I'm out of options, take no precaution. I wanna call her, leash on a collar. I just been trying to do me. My time is money, it came at a fee. You wasn't starving, your clothes wasn't cheap. You wasn't stealing from work just to eat. Wake up and get it, I rinse and repeat. Did you think that this is where I would be? Money pattern like I had a routine. I could do this every day of the week. Ooh, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Knew I get it one day. I knew I get it one day.
This is my BFF Johan. I will really miss him. The backstabbing and everything.
Transferring.
And the data grabbing. He always steal my data, you know? And I have next. Oh, I have no more left. Oh my God. The praise. Let us spread that. Yeah.
Plastic.
Ito naman eh. Kapag-iyak na ako sa video. Ito lang yung ate. Hoy.
Hindi mama.
Ano ba? You know what? He's always Miss, nagawa ko si ano. Hoy, bakit? Kuya, yung video. Yeah.
Ay, bully ka pala.
Sabi ni Miss Sophie Jenny daw doon.
Yung coffee jelly.
The coffee jelly, yeah, you mo bit also.
Diyan.
Baga na. Yes. Agad na ako.
Oh my God, nag-makeup ka! Ah! Ibang...
Limang songs solo. So, what you want? Here, touch.
Prepared.
Here for Mayor Amir for the lechon.
Oh yeah, we're waiting for our mayor. Ay. Ay, last day. Ano yung isip mo?
What? Ano iniisip?
Oh.
Siya? Tingnan mo.
Ay!
Hoy, hindi.
What do you think about the last day?
I don't know. I mean, madami akong may mamimis na itsura.
Wow!
Yeah.
Yan lang?
Pa rin naman ako next year. So,
Ay. Senior high kami next year. Jean,
this is our Filipino food. Filipino chip. Yeah. Try it. The OG. Yeah. What's this one? This is Sprite.
Parang binibenta niya sa Hong
By Sprite, it's more tasty here in the Philippines.
Totoo. Cass, last day.
Hi!
Therese,
Goodbye, honors! I'm gonna miss you!
senior high ka dito. Oh. Oy!
Sino ang top school ko pa?
Oh. Oh. Ay. Miss, hindi kami yan. Wait lang.
Hi guys!
Last day. Start. Mga TikTokers. Chill people. Si Ses gutom.
Ganyan kami sila ano?
Okay, so this is the outside of the school. I can't film too much. Everyone's happy, everyone's chilling. This is what our school looks like. Yes, last message for me.
Hi, Toby. Good luck on your grade 11.
Wait, guys. Okay, guys. Oi. Oi, guys, tingin dito. Oi, guys.
I don't even really like talk. I don't wear brands, you can call back the mall. Nigga, these ain't brands, you don't wear brand storms. Those make a man can't wear what I wear. I'm like a relay, rolling on the replay, out on the freeway.
Ready, oh. Kung gaano kayo kung gaano kayo kahalaga sa akin.
I don't even really like talk. I don't wear brands, you can call back the mall. Nigga, these ain't brands, you don't wear brand storms. Those make a man can't wear what I wear. Running like a relay, running on the replay, hunting on the freeway. I don't want speed race, we run replays. I just can't slow down. Yeah, I don't even really
I will miss Amir for being the bida of the Red. I will miss Vincent and Kurt for being the most childish. I will miss the CAT being noisy in class. I will miss Carl being quiet but always positive.
Quiet,
that was ice in vanilla. What I do that, I don't be paying attention. Niggas fake me, they just put me on like the pictures. They hate the man in the mirror, I hate the man in the middle.
I will miss Tara and Johan getting mad kasi ayaw natin mag-practice.